Hello, gardeners. Another Sunday, and look at the accident that has occurred due to my dog. This is what he has done to my plants. I had kept this board on top of this drum. Now, this drum is not empty, it is full of sand. And today, I don't know what was he looking for, and therefore this is what he has done. Fortunately, it is Sunday, and therefore I'll have to do all the what to say, I don't know. And they were the plants which were kept especially in this area, so that my dog would not come over here and do this kind of activity. But see what he has done. I feel like crying. I thought I'll do some other work today, but this is what I'm going to do now. Gardener had come and gone. The accident has taken place after he has gone, and therefore these are the pieces of those earthen pot, in order to get drainage system intact. I put them if I get them, otherwise I put a piece of stone or a brick. I also sometimes put pieces of cloth also. We have tailors in our rent, and then I get some pieces, new pieces of cloth, and then I put them at the bottom of the pot, and then do the planting part. Oh my god, such a wastage of time, and I think the plants are gone. And this was the area where I had kept all the good ones, the delicate ones. That is this baby doll, this white aglaonema, this was the new snake plant growing up. He has broken the pot also. The pot's condition has gone from bad to worse. You have to remove it. And in this pot I had again planted a new succulent. See, such nice. I was looking at it myself. This is a new succulent I had planted in this pot, along with a stem of a jade. Now I don't know again how much time will they take to get the roots. This is what happens in the life of the gardeners, right? We keep on working hard, and then in the morning I got a comment from my husband also. He said, how many pots do you have? All plastic dabbas and pots. Why don't you keep just 10 plants and the good ones? I didn't say anything, but I was murmuring to myself that you will not understand the feelings of a gardener. That is, the more appears less to us, and we want to have more and more. This is how a succulent is planted, right? That is, at the edge of this leaf a new plant will come. I've got 2 good pots on the terrace. Actually, I had a very good terrace garden earlier. However, because we got a hall constructed there for my son, that is, a snooker hall has been constructed on the terrace, and therefore all my pots and terrace garden, they were brought down. Therefore I have lost that area where the terrace plantation was done, and it was very nice. Even this dog never disturbed there. Somehow he doesn't actually, he's a very sensible dog. He doesn't uproot the plants or play with the plants, something like that. Only that today by chance he wanted to go to the other house, and therefore he jumped, and then the accident took place with all the pots coming down. Fortunately, he was not hurt. You can see here he is trying to sniff. And then let's see what he does now. I hope he does not again kill another plant. Bye bye for today. I'm going to repot all these plants. You can see, oh my god, one pot is intact. This pot is gone, this pot is gone, this baby doll is gone. There was another plant. I had shown you all these plants of mine, so they are all to be repotted again. Bye for today. Happy gardening.